In this video, I'm going to show you how to use plate prong setting in TiaraCAD. First, create the curve of your choice. Go to Toolbox, Settings, Plate Prong Setting. Set curve by selecting it. Choose the view. In this particular case, I'm going to use the top view. Choose the gem size and the gem shape. You'll find that it has been generated, the diamonds have been generated from the center of this curve because this was activated. Also, if you have an additional input of a surface along which you want these diamonds and metal to be set, you can click on additional surface input, select the surface using set surface, and you will see that the gems and the metal gets aligned to the surface as well. Let's say bake it. Let me hide the surface. And we have complete set plate prong as per our requirement.